Hey everybody, this is just a brief announcement video. The first announcement is the launch of BorderlineOCD.com. I've created an online shop. I have a section for information on contests and giveaways. There's a feed of my YouTube channel with all my uploads, and there's a contact form for you guys that want to reach out to me directly. For those of you that want to directly support the channel, the online shop is going to be one of the ways that you can do that. For the website launch, I'm going to be selling t-shirts, mouse pads, and vinyl stickers, and I'll be offering shipping worldwide. Soon, I'm going to start adding some of the consoles that I've repaired or modded on the shop, and just to set the right expectations, I'm not running a repair business here. This is just a way for me to continue funding new projects. If you want to support the channel by buying some merch, just go ahead and click on the item that you like, adjust the quantity, press add to cart. I'm using a commercial platform, so the rest of the process should be very familiar. And then once you get to the checkout, you can enter your address info, your payment details, and all that stuff. That's it for the first announcement, and you'll be hearing more about the website as the channel continues to grow and the website evolves. The second announcement is announcing the winner of last week's giveaway, of course, and in the spirit of giving around the holidays, I decided to double the giveaway prize. So instead of giving away one iFixit Mako Driver Bit Set, I'm going to give away two iFixit Mako Driver Bit Sets. And for that little bit of extra something, I'm going to throw in a pair of Borderline OCD vinyl stickers, so you guys have all just doubled your chances of winning. Alright guys, let's do this. The giveaway ended 72 hours after my last upload. That was 7 p.m. my time, so here I'm 5 minutes away from drawing the winners. I'm using a website called commentpicker.com to randomly select someone from the video responses. I have a short note ready to go to let people know that the giveaway is closed once it hits 7 p.m. Despite doing this, I still got some entries after the giveaway was closed. I'm sorry if you entered late, your entry was not included. I need to stick to the rules that I outlined, especially for future giveaways where the prizes might be a little bit bigger. I want everyone to feel like they got a fair shot at entering. Now, I'm just going to copy the video URL into Comment Picker. Next, I'm going to filter duplicate users to make sure each valid entry is only counted one time. And finally, we need to filter comments that have a specific text. And the phrase to enter the giveaway was, "I made it to the end." I'm going to drop the I, and I'm just going to put, "made it to the end." So if you entered, I hope you paid attention to your spelling. Alright, let me fast forward, and we're going to pick two winners at 7 p.m. Let's see how many entries we got. It looks like we got 293 eligible entries. I'm going to pin the comment I prepared to the video, let everyone know the giveaway is closed. And drum roll, who is our lucky first winner? Kaio Kim. Congratulations, sir. You are the lucky winner of an iFixit Mako Driver Bit Set. And your comment was, "I made it to the end." Good job. Alright, let's pick a second winner. And congratulations to Mr. Dobrodra Tom. You too, sir, are the lucky winner of an iFixit Mako Driver Bit Set. Mr. Kim and Mr. Tom, details in the pinned comment below on how to reach out and claim your prize. And to everyone else, thank you for participating. This was really fun to organize. I enjoyed it. Next giveaway at 10k subs, so we're not too far off. And if you guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them. My regular upload is still scheduled as usual, so I'll be seeing you guys again very soon.